Good morning to everyone. We have done before the holidays. We have started our chapter Trip to Bhopal. After getting the books, you must have seen that in that chapter we have many arithmetic calculations. So once you know the calculations, you will able to solve what the queries are being asked in the story. Before the holidays, we have done with the addition and subtraction. I hope you all are clear with the addition and subtraction. Today we will start our new topic, which is multiplication. Multiplication is also known as a repeated addition. So first, before knowing the multiplication, I'll tell you how to learn the properties of multiplication. So let's see this board. Today's date is 22, 6th month, 20 Sun. So properties of multiplication of grade 4 we are learning today. First property is the property of 1. It means that any number when multiplied by 1 gives you the same answer. For example, 45 multiplied by 1 is 45. 437 multiplied by 1 is 437. So this property states that if any number multiplied by 1 gives you the same answer. Next property is property of 0. When in property of 0, according to this property of 0, according to this property, when any number multiplied by 0 gives you...
have to write.
No, you don't have to write. You have to listen. So when any number multiplied by 0 gives you 0. For example, 427 multiplied by 0 gives you 0. You can take any number. For example, 327. So 327 multiplied by 0 gives you 0. This property states that when any number multiplied by 0 gives you the answer 0. Next, third property is the order property of multiplication. Order property of multiplication means when you change the order of the numbers, means 5 multiplied by 6 or 6 multiplied by 5 gives you always the same answer. I have taken the example here, 17 multiplied by 6 is 102, or 6 multiplied by 7 also gives you the same answer. So in multiplication, order property means if you change the order of the numbers, the answer will be the product will be the same. Let's learn two more properties. Now I will erase and write the two more properties. The fourth property of multiplication is grouping property. Grouping property of multiplication. In grouping property of multiplication, suppose you have a group 10 multiplied by 7 into 6. If you want to change the group, first you multiply 10 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 7, then also the answer will be same. Or 10, you have done 10 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6, then also the answer will be same. Or first you multiply 10 with the 6 and whatever the answer comes multiplied with the 7, then also the answer will be same. This property states that if you change the group of the numbers, the answer will be same. Next come the fifth property, that is the distributive property of multiplication.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Andalia has not understood what you just taught.
Alia.
Anant.
Anant. Okay. What problem, Anant, you are facing?
Anant, unmute your mic.
Anant,
Only
Ma'am,
Anand will unmute the mic.
And then
Ma'am,
tell me
when-
where you face the problem, my dear.
ma'am, when you were understanding this, I
Listen, I have to leave my meeting. That could not I have.
No, I'm not getting which child is speaking.
Anand will only speak. Nobody else.
ma'am, when you were telling, so network problem was there, so I can't understand.
No problem, my dear. I'll send the recording also. Okay. And listen,
Okay, ma'am.
once again, I will explain you, no problem. First property, I explained that the property of 1. When any number multiply by 1, 45 multiplied by 1 gives you the same answer. This is the multiplication property of 1. Means in multiplication, when any number multiply by 1 gives the same answer. Second property, we have done property of 0. When any number, children, please unmute your mic.
Anushka, mute your mic, Anushka.
Oh, sorry, mute your mic, please. Second property, I explained zero property. Zero property was if any number multiplied by 0 gives you the answer 0. Third property we have done, second property we have done is 45 multiplied by 0 is the 0. Third property we have done the order property. Order property, I explain you that if you change the order of the numbers, means 5 multiplied by 6 is 30, then 6 multiplied by 5 is also 30. If you change the order of these factors, these numbers are called the factors. If you change the order of these factors, the product will be same. Now next comes the grouping property.
Anushka, mute your mic. Anushka Chauraria, mute your mic.
Next comes the grouping property. In that also I told you, when you change the group, if you multiply 10 multiplied by 7, the answer will be same. 10 into 7 is 70 plus multiply by again with the 6. 420. In this also, if you change the group, 10 into 6 is 60 multiplied by 7, then also the answer will be same. So grouping property states that when you change the group of the numbers, the answer will be the same. Now comes the fifth property of multiplication, that is the distributive property. Fifth property is distributive property. Distributive property means when it is 42, you distribute the numbers 40 plus 2, make it, multiply it with the, if you want to multiply with the 15. Or you can do 40 multiply by 15, then add the 2. First you multiply 40 with the 15 also will be okay. Then multiply 2 with the 15. Then also the answer will be same. I'll explain this again. Please pay attention here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to plus the 2 or multiply by 2.
See, I will tell you how to do. See the example 40 plus 2 multiply by 15. So in that case, you have to add these two. 42 multiplied by 15 gives you 630 answer. When you properly multiply it, you will get the answer 630. If you want to see it, I will show you here also 42 multiplied by 15. First we add this. Why we are adding this? Because the sign is here for add. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21, 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4. Now add them, 630. Got the answer? This is the distributive property of multiplication. Now, I will tell you some tricks in the multiplication. After learning the properties, you should know some tricks also, so to make it little faster. For example, if we have 42 and I say to multiply it with the 30. So to do the long procedure of multiplication, we will do the easy method also. 42, this number will multiply with the number. 42 multiply by 3. 3 2 is 6, 4 3 is 12, or 3 4 is 12. Now, 126 you got after multiplying 42 with the 3, but the 0 is remaining. What to do with this 0? After multiplying the number with the number, add the 0 at the last right hand side. Got it?
Ma'am, can
Very
you
good.
show
I'm
it again?
getting the answers.
Ma'am, can you show it again?
Yes, I'll show you. See, when you have any number, I'll show you the next any other example. If we have 74 and I say to multiply it with the 40, any number which is having, you should know that this is multiplicand, this is multiplier. The multiplier, in the multiplier, if you have 0, so in that case, to go with the long procedure, you should pay attention here for the shortcut method. First, multiply this number with this number. 74 multiply with the 4. 4 4s are 16. 7 4s are 7 1s are 7 if you know the tables. 7 4s are 28 plus 1 is 29.
Ma'am, 0 over there.
Now this 0 is remaining. Now what to do with this 0? After multiplying the number with the number, you have to add the 0 in the product. This answer is called the product. This answer is called the
product. In a product.
You understood how? Please mute your mics, please. You have to add this 0 at the back of the product and right hand side. This will be your right hand side of your answer. Got it, children? This is also a one trick. So instead of doing the long method of multiplication, we can do the short also. This method is only applicable when you have a 0 at the last in the multiplier. Understood? Yes. Now we go further. Now we have to learn how to multiply any number with 10, 100, 1000. For example, if I say 72 multiplied by 10. So 72 multiplied by 10, as I explained, you multiply this number with this number. 72 ones are 72. But where the 0 will go? Will be added to the right hand side of the product. So your answer is 720. Now the same number, if multiplied by 100, 72 multiplied by 1 is 72. Add 20 to the right hand side because this is having two numbers. Next, Same number if multiplied by the 1000. So again 72 and add the 3 zeros to the right hand side. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only
Now,
a thumbs up. No, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
yes, yes, good.
Only
Now
a thumbs
mute your
up.
mics.
And children, please stop typing in the chat box. Please
Now
stop
mute your
typing the answers in the chat box. Pay attention on the board. Pay attention on what ma'am is teaching. We know that you know the answers. You people are very smart. But pay
now.
attention on what ma'am is teaching.
Okay,
Now I will
ma'am.
explain multiplication by one digit number,
Okay.
which you must have learned in the grade 3 also. But as a revision, I'll take with the one digit number. For example, here we have 3 digit number 4, 5, 6. Multiply with the 4. Write them column wise. Write the multiplier also down, multiplicand and the multiplier. You all know I explain you this is the multiplicand. This is the multiplier. And the answer will be our product. So first we learn how to multiply with the one digit number. 4 6 or 6 4s is 24. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. Please note that you have to circle these carryovers. 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18. So this will be your product. I hope you all are clear how to multiply with the one digit number. Maybe sometime you feel difficulty in multiplying the two digit number. That also we will done in our today's class. We will do it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, there will become 22, then 18.
4 6 are 24. 4 5 are 20 plus 2. Yes. 22. 4 4 is 16 plus 2 is 18. So this will be 1824. Very good. Now we go to the next question. Which is multiplying the 3-digit number with the 2-digit number. Clear? Now, write them column wise. Write the number. So, step 1 is we should follow the steps when we have to multiply with the 2-digit number. First step, multiply with the ones place. Multiply with the ones place. As you all know, ones, tens, 100. So this ones place will multiply with all these three numbers. 6 6 are 36. 3 will go here. 6 will be here. 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 13, 14, 15. 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. After multiplying this number, we have to freeze the ones place or block the ones place or write the 0 at the ones place because the ones chance is over now. So second step is block or freeze the ones place. Freeze the ones place. Now multiply, you can write 0 or multiply over here. I write 0. It's your choice. You can write cross sign or you can write 0, like cross sign this way, or you can write 0 also here, because the chance of one's place is done. Now the carryovers which we put here, we have to cross these carryovers also, because their chance is also done. So to not make you confused, so we cross these carryovers also. Come to the next number. 9 6 ja, that is 54. Now where the 5 will go? 5 will go here at the tens place and the 4 will come here. 9 twos are 18 plus 5 is 23. So 2 will go here at the 100 place and 3 will come here. 9 threes are 27 plus 2, 28, 29. Now after doing this, we have only 2 digits. Our role is done. Now the third step is you need to add them. And then after adding, you get the product. In multiplication, the answer is known as the product. So third step is adding them. Adding the values which you got after the multiplication. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 1 will go here, carry over to add. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is 3, 1, 2, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 31,296 is your product. So I hope you all are clear with how to multiply 3-digit number with the 2-digit number. I will explain you a few more examples. Steps will be the same. Only you have to learn the tables in the multiplication. If you are little weak or you will not cope up with the tables, you will not able to do the multiplication sums. I will tell you some tricks to learn the tables also. So first we go with the sum. That is 810 multiplied by 28. Now, as I explain you the properties of multiplication, the 0 property, the property of 1. So here you have to apply. So any number multiply by 0, first you put the values. 8 zeros are 0. Now here multiply with the 1. 8 ones are 8. 8 eights are 64. Now once place is done, either put 0 or a cross sign. Go to the tens place and multiply with all the digits. 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. Now to get the product, you need to add these values. 0, nothing is here, will be the 0. 8 zeros plus 0 is 8. Any number, you should know the addition property also. When any number, if you add 0, the same answer will come. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is your product. I will send you my video recorded also. If you face any difficulty in understanding, you will see my video, learn the problem. properties, learn the tables, practice more, then only you will able to do the multiplications sums. So now I will tell you some tricks. You are excited to learn how to learn the table of 9 table. Yes, children? Now I will tell you how to learn the table of 9. This trick which I am going to show you is only applicable in table of 9. So,
Ma'am, I know this trick.
very good.
Ma'am, I
You know this trick very good. So I want everyone should know. Okay.
have a easier
And in my next class, then I will ask everything from you at the last. So please mute your mics.
Mute. Just one.
If you know the trick, then very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I don't know to read this the product.
You don't know how to calculate or read the product.
No, read the product.
Read means
Yes.
like 2, 1, 2, 4. Like
Yes.
this. So this will be, see, ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So this will be 2,124. Because see, in Indian system, I have sent you my video in the how to put the commas, how to learn the Indian system, how to learn the international system. In Indian system, after counting 3 digits from the back, 1, 2, 3, we put 1 comma. And after this, after every 2 digit, the comma will go. For example, there is a big number 2, 4, 3, 1, 7, 2. So how to put the comma and how to read it? See, 1, 2, 3, put a comma, then count 2 digit 1 or 2, comma. So this will be 2,43,172. And if you face more difficulty to read, you please write the place value at the top. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So this will be 2 lakh. And 10,000 will be read as together, which will be 43,000. One is under the 100 place, so which is 100. 72 will be read as together. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, see, if I say, now I'm going to show you the trick of multiplication of table of 9. This trick is only applicable on table of 9. After my class, your home task is you have to find few more tricks to learn the tables, and please learn the tables till 10 by heart also. Clear? So tomorrow's class is based on the division. So you should know the tables also by heart. Now
Ma'am.
listen. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm learning 16 tables.
Very good. Now if I say 4 multiplied by 9, you all know the answer. Don't tell me the answer. I will tell you how to do the trick. Can you see my hands? Can you all see my hand, both the hands? Catherine ma'am, can you see my hands?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So for 9 table, I need both the hands. Clear? And
Yes.
here the number is 4 multiplied by 9. Means you need to close your 4th finger from your this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your 4th finger. Close. And from your left side, give them the numbers 1, 2, 3. And from your right side, give them, after closing this, give them again the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? So this is 1, 2, 3 to your left side. So we write 3 to our left side. And how many fingers to my right side after closing this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. So we write here 6. So our answer is 9, 4 9s are 36 or 9 4s are 36. So whatever the number which is written here, you have to close that figure and from the left side give them the numbers 1, 2, 3 and then count to the right hand side 1, 2, 3. So again we see more examples.
Yes.
Yes, if I say 9 multiplied by 7. Now, see here again. From your left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close your seventh finger and count the fingers from your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes?
63.
So we have 6 here to our left side fingers. Now, what are the remaining fingers to your right side? 1, 2, 3. So, it is 3. So, what will be your answer?
63.
9 7s are 63. So, children, is it really interesting?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I know one more.
I cannot hear children all together. One by one,
Just
you can speak.
Raise your hands, all those who want to answer, raise your hands.
Interesting.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay, Arya, unmute your mic and say. Rest of you, please switch off your mics. This is the last time I'm telling you.
So, isn't
Only
it
Arya
interesting
will
how to learn the
unmute and say the
tables with the
question.
tricks? Yes,
Arya.
children.
Yes.
Arya,
Yes, so
come up
this
with the
way
question,
you can
beta.
find more tricks to learn the tables. Clear? So I
don't-
want everyone should know till 10 by tomorrow. From 2 to 10.
Ma'am, Ayush has a question.
Yes,
Ayush has
Ayush.
a question.
Yes, Ayush.
Yes, Ayush. Unmute your mic.
Ayush, tell me.
I know another trick for table of 9.
Very good. Yes, yes. I want that you should send me your recorded video of learning things. Same way, if I am also sending something to learn, you can also send me something that, ma'am, I have learned this. My picture, you can send me the picture also. You can send me the recorded video also of yours. The way you are learning. Okay. So I can also see. I can also now, this table of 10 also is easy to learn. 10 into 1, 10 into 2. As we learn, 1 into 1 is 1 and add the 0. 1 into 2 is 2 and add the 0. Yes? Now,
Say thumbs
children,
up. Say a thumbs
children,
up.
I will
Yes,
show
ma'am.
you something. Catherine, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
please guide me. I am going to show to present the screen to them.
Okay.
Okay, so you should guide me, please, if it is visible or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, I am going to show you one craft on multiplication also. So you have to make the craft which is based on tables only. Clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Wait, I am going to show you. Is it visible, Catherine, ma'am? Catherine, ma'am? Is it visible?
Yeah, ma'am. It is buffering right now. It is buffering right now. Yes, ma'am. It's visible now.
Yes. These type of this craft projects on tables, you can make it.
આપણે ચોરસ બી કટ કરી શકીએ એવું નહીં કે આપણે સેમ ક્રાફ્ટ કરીએ
Mute
Is
your
it not
mic.
necessary? Children, is it not necessary you make the same craft? I'll show you another craft. See, you can make this also. Wait.
Ma'am, can we send a photo of this?
See,
હા આવું બનાવજો મમ્મા.
મન નહીં આવડે આવું બધું કઈ તારા નવરી થોડી છું
Mute your mic, please.
હું તારું વાંધો નથી.
Mute your
You-
mics.
Ma'am, visible?
Yes, ma'am, perfectly. Watch carefully. There's no need to talk. Arav, mute your mic.
Ma'am, I can't see. I also can't see.
Why can't you see? What is the problem that you're coming? The screen is very clearly visible on the screen.
I can't see. I can see only Renu Punjabi ma'am.
Are you
Dear,
able
you can go and click on my presenting screen. Then you'll able to see.
go in presenting screen and pin that up?
Ma'am, I know.
You see a pin there? Click on that. Ma'am will send you the video, don't worry. Okay? In case you want to make it yourself, ma'am will send you the video also.
So children, have you seen that video?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
So you also
ma'am.
one craft
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
with tables, with any of the table in which you feel
Yes, ma'am.
really difficulty,
Yes.
and you will be able to learn it more. Okay? So is there any one craft of these tables? So any
Ma'am?
difficulty?
Vihan, switch off your mic.
Children, from my side, I'm done. We have done with the properties. We have done how to multiply any number with the 10, 100,000. We have learned the multiplication with one digit number. We have learned the multiplication with two digit numbers. We have learned the craft activity. We have learned the tricks how to do the multiplication and how to learn the multiplication tables. So from my side, I am done. If you face any difficulty or if you're feeling any difficulty, please stay online And
All those who have doubts, stay back. Rest of you can leave the meeting.
Bye.
All those